you haven't upgraded to Windows 10 or Windows 11, I highly recommend it. It comes with this Microsoft Bing, and it's a new picture every day. So that's one thing you should save for. Is one of these laptops, these new laptops with the Windows 10. It's a big investment. They're sort of expensive, the Windows computers, the laptops, but once you get it, it comes with features that it just leaves you in a great mood every time that you turn on your PC and you see those new nature photos, and they're really high quality and whatnot on the Bing there. But I've been missing a lot of content and video that I want to do. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen nothing but me, but I have a lot of stuff that I want to keep doing, more videos, more music, but I'm limited by space. As you can see here, look at here. Heat warning. We've got a heat warning for the first time this year. That's big. What was I looking for? This PC. Windows has so many features that the others don't, but you need space. I mean, look, I have a 3 terabyte MyBook, and it's already filled up from my videos. And then this is the card that goes in my. This is the card that goes in my camera. Windows, and see, it's all filled up. Oh, I've always been a country guy. I lived in the country. I was born out of the country. Our first house that we ever owned in Canada was in the country. It sold for 1.3 million. My grandfather built it by hand. We were hard workers. My grandfather was a bigger man. His name was Perron-Slote. My dad might be able to give me the photo, or get somebody can picture that photo of my grandfather. I look identical to him, except I'm bigger than him, but we share the same characteristics. And he built his house for 1.3 million space. And at first, I was just going to get like this. I think it was 8 terabytes or something, and that was a pretty big upgrade because I already had 4 terabytes. But that was 200 and something dollars. I said, I know I'm like in this position right now that there must be some other option that's only a little bit more expensive, that's going to upgrade me so significantly. It's going to increase everything tenfold, like the just everything. stuff for me. He was already cashed out. We just went to Six Flags. He just renovated a freaking 50, $75,000 RV. Bought two houses and a 15 acres. Bought another house in Florida. He was buying all the big stuff. And then I was like, "Oh, Dad, it's all right if you don't buy me a hat, because I knew I was going to be able to afford this hat now and get it all on video." And then I'm that guy with the hat and everything. So I didn't pressure my dad too much, especially in middle school. I had that camouflage jacket. Actually, at the time, that camouflage jacket meant a lot to me. But I knew I wanted more. I knew I wanted more. I knew that camouflage jacket wasn't nothing. I knew it was just a jacket. You know what I mean? Well, yeah, so did everyone. But I'm talking about with me and my dad. Me and my dad. You know, and we got it up here in Canada because of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, and all that. We can get a lot of stuff that uh, go tracks with the scooter. Oh, I got one of these air compressors. I really want this electric duster data vac or what have you. We got Rice Krispies. We got Prime Video, Nutri-Grains, ice makers. Yeah. Oh, I just got a water machine. Primo Water. This video is being sponsored by Primo Water. If you can get it all set. I have to clear the infection out of my system right now. I need to get some ice water. Even right now, my brain feels groggy. It doesn't feel how good it would feel if I. And it's about I like completely ice cold water. And throughout my journey of life, I've got to try both these waters here, Perrier as well as Voss. And there's two different stories. Like Perrier, I heard about Perrier from the beginning. I was born here in Canada. We had French folks. You had heard about Perrier. It was this sort of this water that our wealthier ones, I was just a kid. I'm sure if my mom or dad or grandfather, I think maybe they bought Perrier one time. I think I see my dad drink Perrier. Funny thing, you crave a certain water and then you try it. They color code them like with different colors, uh, and all that to go with what's in the water, the minerals and all that. Color code. Labrador source. I even like the ones, the no names, the ones you never even heard of before, and you try it. That would in Florida that happens a lot. I was down in Florida, and you'd have the hurricanes or whatever, and they were giving out those free bottles of water, or the cases of water, cases, and they would hand out the cases of water, and they were like some random brand. Then we have sparkling ice, stuff like that, get off soda, or don't even try soda altogether. Just start with this stuff and never get the super concentrated addictive stuff or whatever. And your addiction will just be on this stuff because it's way more hydrating than, say, your pop sodas. That this one's got water and ice with a little berry and yada yada, whereas the soda is like majority concentrate with and you have to add your ice and all that. Whereas those ones are more water, but nothing beats. Mine's a bottom loading one, so you don't get to see the top one. A lot of people didn't like that. You had to flip it up and put it on the machine and what have you.